Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to check LCD and touchscreen on Realme C67 device. By checking the LCD, users can identify any potential issues and take appropriate action, such as contacting customer support or seeking repairs. Well, and then how to do that? Let's get started. Okay, first thing first, you have to go to the dialing application on your device. Well, and then click number pad here. And then please type the following code. Okay, after that, if you see this page, you can tap on manual test. And then select screen unit test. Okay, if you don't find any anomalies on your device screen, such as shadows or the like, it means that your device screen is in good condition. And then you can tap to proceed with the test. Okay, and then if there are no shadows appearing at this point, it means that your screen is in good condition. And then here you are asked not to touch the screen or anything on your device until there is a notification that the test is complete. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to check the LCD and touchscreen on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.